And the pond created by this waterfall is large enough that a bunch of people can swim in it at the same time. And people are doing it, even if it's not recommended. You shouldn't swim in fresh water here because there are so many bacteria which can make you sick. Yeah, the largest windmill and solar farm here on the left. And speaking of that, Hawaii has an ambitious goal. They want to become 100% green in 2045. Oahu right now at about 31%. We have a little town here on the right. This is Haleiwa, where the port is. And there you can dive with sharks. Inside or outside a cage, that's up to you. Alright, we are flying through the central valley of Oahu now. A lot of agriculture here. At some point this was all sugarcane. But yeah, no sugarcane anymore on none of the islands. The last sugar mill closed on Maui in 2016. What we have here on the right? All coffee fields. Yeah, you'll probably not believe me, but 45 minutes ago that was all sunny and no clouds here. Alright, a bunch of cattle farms coming up here below us. Those are all happy cows. Those cows that never have a roof above their head, and they're eating this fresh grass here all day long. The meat they're producing here, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I still hope in exchange to this weather here you get a perfect rainbow at the end here. Alright, let's play the song for it. Recorded 1986 in the middle of the night. More than 1.4 billion views on YouTube. The symmetrical shaped plantation on the right and in front of us, those are all pineapples. Part of the DOLE plantation, and all those different colors represent different stages. One pineapple needs 24 months to grow, and they want to be able to harvest all year long. Yeah, ideal conditions for pineapples, not only the weather, also the soil. Contains a lot of iron oxide, and this is what makes so red. All the fresh pineapples are getting consumed right here on this island. You can buy canned pineapples on the mainland, for example, from here, but the fresh ones only here, and they're absolutely fantastic. Coming up on the right, the DOLE Plantation Visitor Center, the area with the red roofs. And they have a maze down there, which is actually the largest outdoor or garden maze in the world. Making a tight right turn over it. I want to mention this beautiful living area here on the 11 o'clock position. Yeah, you can live there for free. It's true. You just have to sign up for the army.
Trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't I?
So yeah, it's definitely worth a visit. The DOLE Plantation Visitor Center. Not necessarily because of the maze, but it's cool as well. They tell you everything about pineapples. How to look for a good one in a supermarket, how to cut them properly and all that kind of stuff. They give you, of course, pineapples. And supposedly they have the best pineapples, the best ice cream on the island as well. Alright, we are exactly on the path the Japanese bombers took on December 7th, 1941. On the way to Pearl Harbor, you see already in the background. Before they hit their primary target, they attacked the Wheeler airfield. The air defense was located there wingtip to wingtip, but they never had a chance. Yeah, this Wheeler airfield, this is the one we're about to cross here right now. Their army is down there with their Chinook, Apache and Black Hawk helicopters. Alright, some different type of plantation coming up here on the right hand side. Those darker green in color bushes, those are all banana plants. Yeah, those are not the normal bananas you find in every grocery store, those are apple bananas. They're much smaller, a little sweeter, cost about 5 to 6 times as much as a normal banana. But they're absolutely delicious. So we're getting closer here to the Pearl Harbor area. You see in the background nicely the 3 main bodies of water. And yeah, that's the east, west and middle lock. Not so much going on in the west and the east lock. The interesting one is the middle lock. You can see already a bunch of ships there, including 2 carriers in the middle. Yeah, those ships are all out of service. Someone told me they're partially equipped and could be reinstated. So we're flying right through the middle lock and then you can have a closer look. So we're getting also closer to the Honolulu airspace. Yeah, I have to disable your microphones again. I know you were not super chatty because I forgot to switch them on, but